Okay, the hood is popped up from the inside. You can see it's loose. And we're gonna reach in straight here. There's a rod going up and down. Just to the right of that rod, right about here, underneath, we gotta stick our hand way under there and mash that down. Now, we'll open the lid and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, when you stick your hand under the hood, you can feel this thing. It's a hard, solid, does not move. And just to the right of it is, you'll be able to feel this. The rod that I just showed you is right here. So you reach in and you can feel this, and you mash that down with your right hand, and with your left hand, as long as this is down, you can pick the hood up. Okay, it's sitting like this. You reach in. You're not going to be able to see because